Hey, beauty cuties. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to talk to you today about a fabulous, amazing, gorgeous wig that we just got in. I'm so excited, for real. I really am. Why am I excited? Because this wig is called a Canvas Wig. It comes in various colors. This one I picked, it's a 27 dark root 613. So you have a mixtures of colors in there. Super beautiful. Why do I love this wig? Because if you are a wig maker, if you are a hairstylist, and you can't find a great synthetic wig that you like, well, this is what we call a canvas wig. It's almost what you just kind of do whatever you want to do. You put the style in there. And as you see, I'm just cutting out the layers, some long layers, and I'm just trimming around the face to face frame it. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. And as you see, it has more of a relaxed texture, or it's not silky straight, so it's kind of kinky. But listen, as soon as you flat iron it, it kind of silks it out like black girl relaxed hair. So you're going to absolutely love it. It is a multicultural wig, so if you have coarse hair, fine hair, or medium coarse hair, this wig would still be a great fit. The softer and the silkier you want it, you want to take your heat up a little bit hotter. It goes up to 400, so you'll be pretty safe. As you see, I'm cutting the bulk out. I'm getting the majority of all that bulk from the ends so it can look really nice, soft, and flowy. So what I'm doing now is getting it ready to part off so I can put some my curlers in there. So I do have my rollers. I curl with, it's called Babyless Sea Style. I have about 7 flat irons. In case they want to discontinue these, they won't do it, honey, because I got so many. I am ready. So what I do, I curl and then I hold it for about 5 seconds. I roll it with Velcro rollers. Those are the absolute best, and I use very large Velcro rollers. And then I just take a clip, I put it in, and I let it sit. Soon as you let it sit for as long as about 5 seconds, the curl is really kind of set into the fiber, so you'll be okay. So as you see, I'm going through each single section. The thing is, I have learned after 35 years of being in the beauty industry, the neater and the more you try to master being neat, the better the hair is going to look. So what I do is I just pull through and I'm flipping that curl to get some just some body in there. And again, if you watch me, I do it 3 times. So I'm just going to quickly speed up the video so that you can watch. I'm all done. As you see the Velcros, I have various sizes in there. Now I'm taking it out because I'm ready to get this little girl on. Again, this is wig 94. She comes about 22 inches. This color is 27.413. All right, time to have some fun. So you know how I do. Snatch the wig off, boo. And let's get ready to rumble. Let's see what we got here. Now, do you remember how coarse this was? How full and thick this was? This is on our website, and it looks a hot mess on the website. That's why I wanted to do a video to show you how absolutely gorgeous this wig is, honey. All I'm doing is pushing and pulling and sitting and piling and profiling. I guess that's what they call it. But anyway, yeah, I'm feeling myself because I know it's cute. Let me turn it over to the side. Get that side bang. What? Come on, she ready. She ready. www.leehosthair.com. Give me a call.